Are you ready to tackle the toughest terrains? Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or simply preparing for the unexpected, traction boards are a must-have in your adventure kit. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best traction boards that will keep you moving, no matter what obstacles lie ahead. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is the Smittybilt All-Element Ramps 2790. In the traction board market, standing out can be a challenge. But at first glance, you can see that Smittybilt's design is distinctive, with a variety of nubs well suited for a range of vehicles and situations. The ends of the board have smaller nubs, they transitioning to larger ones, with ridges in the middle and domes on the sides. During our tests, we couldn't get them to fail. They were effective in every recovery attempt. We truly loved these boards. However, not everything is perfect. We couldn't find any information about UV resistance, so if you plan to store them mounted on the outside of your vehicle, you might want to consider a UV stabilized option, as prolonged sun exposure could make plastic brittle over time. But that didn't stop us from enthusiastically labeling the 2790S as best overall. After a day at the off-roading park, they were easily our favorite. Next up, we have the Maxtrax MKII RecoveryTracks. For off-road enthusiasts, the Australian brand Maxtrax has become almost synonymous with traction board. We put the standard length Maxtrax MKIs to the test. Maxtrax also offers an extreme model for high-intensity recovery situations. We immediately noticed several impressive features of the MKIs: 6 handles, aggressive tire nubs, lightweight construction. They also come in 12 colors to match your style and make them easy to find in the mud. Among all the traction boards we tested, the MKIs saw the most use. In addition to our off-roading test, where they performed effectively with minimal wear, our testing director, Dave Vanderwerp, also put them to use during a Gambler 500 event in Michigan. Dave's most capable vehicle got stuck in the water and needed to be towed out by a modified Oldsmobile. The Oldsmobile, in turn, got stuck in the sand. While the Maxtrax MKIs didn't work miracles, they provided enough traction to get the Olds moving. However, Dave noted that the shovels integrated into the sides of the traction mats were not particularly effective. We also observed this, but it was a common issue across all the traction mats we tested, so it's not a drawback specific to Maxtrax. Remember, a portable off-road shovel can be your best friend in a sticky situation. Moving on to our third pick, the X-Bull Gen 3.0 Traction Tracks. If your budget is your main consideration, go for the X-Bull Traction Tracks. Are they the best? No. Were they the worst? Also no. For around $100, you get 2 boards, a bag, and even mounting brackets, something we didn't get with any other product. They are listed as UV stable, and they're stackable. It doesn't take a lot of math to figure out that you could buy 3 sets of X-Bulls before even approaching the price of the most expensive traction boards. They weren't outstanding during our mud test, but they were impressively effective in the sand. Even when buried deep, they kept traction against the tires during recovery. Will they last forever? Probably not. Construction didn't feel as robust as some of the higher-priced boards we tested, but that's to be expected at this price point. If you need a pair of traction boards just to be prepared, we think this is a great option, especially if you want to save your cash for other off-roading gear. Our fourth pick is the ARB Tred Pro. ARB Tred Pro recovery boards are a top choice in the long line of off-roading gear offered by ARB, a trusted brand in the industry. Known for their durability, these boards have a lifetime warranty, ensuring they stand the test of time. Key features that set the ARB Tred Pro apart include their directional tread patterns and the built-in shovel portion, which is hands down the most ergonomic shovel end of all the boards we tested. During our testing, we noted that the nubs on these boards showed significantly less wear after use, likely due to the unique design using glass-filled resin in the nubs. Overall, the sturdy materials and a lifetime guarantee make the ARB Tred Pro recovery boards a worthwhile investment for serious off-roaders looking for a reliable one-time purchase. Last but certainly not least, we have the Rhino USA recovery traction boards. If you like supporting family-owned companies, Rhino USA is a fantastic option. These recovery boards come with a storage bag, recovery leashes, and 2 handles on each side. During our test, the boards took some time to work in the sand, but eventually got us unstuck. Although they did wind up with significant wear on the nubs, they were less effective in the mud. We did, however, learn the importance of the provided leashes during the mud portion, as the boards got buried deep. Installing these straps would have saved us from digging into 6 inches of sticky mud. We highly recommend attaching the leashes right away. If you're looking for affordable and reliable traction boards, but also want to support a family operation, Rhino USA is an excellent choice. And there you have it. Those are our top 5 best traction boards to help you tackle any terrain with confidence. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the trails.